today we're going to look at a mensuration question plus quadratic equation. That's a paper 2 structured question actually. So as our priority, we always take the student. So we take the student at heart. So today we are going to look at this question. It's a paper 2 structured question actually. So moving forward, we have got this is about us. So Future Online Academy offers mathematics, accounting at an affordable price of $10 per subject, and also we are enrolling June and November online classes. For those who want revisions, we assist. Then our contact details are: you WhatsApp me on 0.7666872, or you WhatsApp only on 0733891768. For those who want to be assisted quickly, we can call on 0.7666872. So we have our free social media platforms where we upload some videos on mathematics and principles of accounting for free, such as TikTok, YouTube, and WhatsApp. So the services which are provided at our one-on-one facilities are exam coaching, flexible timetable, personalized PDFs, and videos. So how do we conduct our lessons? We conduct on one-on-one basis, and today I'm going to get into this question. So in the question, take pi to be 22/7. So they've given you the diagram ABCDEF represents a metal drinking trough made from a closed cylindrical drum that was bisected lengthwise. So as you can see, this one is a half of a cylinder. So the trough is a diameter of 56 meters and a capacity of 110 liters. Calculate the area of the cross section ADE. So to calculate the area of the cross section ADE, we are going to utilize the formula A is equal to half pi r squared. But we really know that the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. But in this case, we have a semicircle. Means that we are going to say half pi r squared. Then you get your answer. Then to find AB, you are going to say the volume is equal to area times the length. So you're going to say the area which you found in item A times AB. So it will be 110 liters. As you all know that, let me get into the solutions. So the first solution, we're supposed to treat it like this. This is a paper 2 and a calculator paper, so we're supposed to use a calculator. Then moving forward, as you can see, you have been told that 110 liters, as you can see for yourself, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters, and we are going to use that to convert 110 liters to cubic centimeters. So it will be 110 liters, 110 times 1000, then you get 110,000 cubic centimeters. Then you equate to 1232 AB. Then you divide both sides, you get your answer as 89.2857 AB. Using your calculator, convert that answer to 3 significant figures, then you get 89.3 centimeters. Getting that answer, we are going to move forward. So I want to go back to our question. The whole drum was bought for 25,000, and this represents a 70% increase in price of such a drum in the previous year. Calculate the price of such a drum in the previous year. So there are 2 ways to tackle this question. So as you can see, there are 2 ways. I'm going to use them all. So I want to go to the solution so that you can see for yourself. So the first one is, you definitely use so the whole drum was bought for 25,500. That's the cost. Then this represents a 70% increase. So there was a 70% increase. So there's another easy way to solve this question. So you calculate the price of the drum in the previous year. For example, let x be the price in the previous year. So it will be x plus then 0.7 times the price of the previous year, because there was an increase, which is going to be 25,500. Then it will be 1.7x is equal to 25,500. Then your answer will become $15,000. Then you can use that alternative formula whereby you're going to say the cost 100 over the sudden increase of 170 times 25,500, which is going to be 15,000. Then going back to our question, I assume there is so you'll be done for this question, awarded the 6 marks. Then moving forward, we have the quadratic equation. Solve the equation 4x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, giving your answers correct to two significant figures. So a student may ask me, how do you know that you are going to apply a quadratic equation? So you know that you are going to apply a quadratic equation if you see these things. First, you need to see an approximation. What is an approximation? You'll be given that, giving your answers correct to two significant figures. That's an approximation, number one. Number two, the number of marks, which is 5. Then another thing is that you cannot find the factors which when you multiply you get negative 12x squared, but when you add or subtract you get negative 2x. So the quadratic equation must meet all these three conditions. Failure to find these conditions will lead to failure, because in this scenario we've got 5 marks, we've got the approximation, we can't find the factors. So the first step to attack that question, you're going to use the general quadratic equation. So an equation is equal to 0 and the equation gives us two answers. So the general quadratic equation is going to be applied so that you can get the coefficients of a, b and c. Then you plug in the quadratic formula. Plugging in the quadratic formula will award you with marks. Then the second stage is to substitute the coefficients of a, b and c. Then you solve your answers correct to two significant figures. So there will be marks for the quadratic equation, marks for substituting, marks for the answers. Then you'll be awarded with your marks. So I hope you've understood, and this is the end to our video. I hope it was beneficial to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.